Upbeat, slightly futuristic intro music fades in and then softens to a background hum. What if the same technology that's rapidly changing our world could also be the key to saving it? We see the headlines every day. We feel the changes in the air. Our planet is sending us signals, loud and clear. For too long, the story has been one of struggle. We've witnessed heartbreaking images of melting ice caps vanishing into the sea, vast forests disappearing before our eyes, and smog-filled skies choking our cities. It's a narrative that can feel overwhelming, a challenge so immense it seems insurmountable. It's easy to feel a sense of despair, to wonder if we've gone too far. But what if I told you a new chapter is being written? A story of hope, innovation, and unprecedented collaboration between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence. This isn't science fiction, this is the reality unfolding right now. AI, the very force driving our digital age, is being repurposed for a mission of global significance to help us solve Earth's biggest environmental challenges. The narrative is shifting from crisis to comeback, from problem to solution. And it's happening in ways you might never have imagined. Forget the stereotypes of robots and dystopian futures. Think of AI as a microscopic, hyper-intelligent assistant working tirelessly behind the scenes to make our world greener, cleaner, and more sustainable. It's not just about making our lives smarter. It's about making our planet survivable for generations to come. This is the story of how we're turning the tide, using the most powerful tool we've ever created to protect our only home. Let's start with the very foundation of our survival: food. Traditional agriculture, while feeding billions, has put an enormous strain on our planet's resources. It accounts for about 70% of all freshwater withdrawals globally and contributes significantly to deforestation and soil degradation. But what if we could grow more food with less? This is where AI steps in. Imagine farms where every single plant gets exactly what it needs. No more, no less. AI-powered drones and sensors are now soaring over fields, collecting massive amounts of data on soil health, moisture levels, and plant vitality. This isn't just data for data's sake. Complex algorithms analyze this information in real time, identifying which specific areas of a field need water or nutrients. Instead of watering an entire field, precision irrigation systems deliver water drop by drop, exactly where it's needed, cutting water waste by up to 50% in some cases. AI can even detect pests or diseases before a human eye ever could, allowing farmers to take targeted action instead of spraying entire crops with chemicals. This is smart farming. It's not just about efficiency, it's about creating a system that works in harmony with nature, ensuring we can feed a growing global population without depleting our precious resources. It's a quiet revolution, happening acre by acre, powered by data and driven by the need for a sustainable future. Now, let's talk about energy, the engine of our modern world. Our reliance on fossil fuels has powered progress, but at a tremendous cost to our climate. The transition to renewable energy sources like solar and wind is crucial, but it comes with its own challenge: unpredictability. The sun doesn't always shine, and the wind doesn't always blow. How do you manage a power grid that relies on such fluctuating sources? Again, AI provides the answer. AI algorithms are becoming the masterful conductors of our new energy orchestra. They can analyze weather patterns, historical data, and real-time energy consumption to predict with incredible accuracy how much power will be generated and how much will be needed. When a large cloud is about to cover a solar farm, AI can anticipate the drop in production and seamlessly reroute power from a wind farm hundreds of miles away or from stored energy in massive batteries. Companies are using AI to optimize the placement of wind turbines and solar panels, ensuring they capture the maximum amount of energy possible. This creates a smarter, more resilient, and more reliable grid that can integrate more and more clean energy. It's a complex, dynamic dance of supply and demand, and AI is the choreographer, ensuring the lights stay on while our carbon footprint shrinks. But what about the damage that's already been done? Can AI help us understand and even predict the effects of climate change? The answer is a resounding yes. Climate science is incredibly complex, involving billions of data points from oceans, ice caps, land, and the atmosphere. Human scientists have been working tirelessly for decades, but the sheer scale of the data can be overwhelming. AI, with its ability to process and find patterns in vast datasets, is a game changer. Take Google's deep learning models, for instance. They are being used to create more accurate and longer-range weather and climate forecasts. These models can predict extreme weather events like hurricanes or heat waves with greater lead time, giving communities crucial extra hours or even days to prepare, save lives, and protect property. Beyond prediction, AI is also helping us monitor the health of our planet in real time. Satellites equipped with AI-powered image recognition can track deforestation, detect illegal mining operations, or even count animal populations in remote areas to aid conservation efforts. It's like giving our planet a regular health checkup, allowing us to diagnose problems faster and intervene more effectively. AI is providing us with the clarity and foresight we've always needed to navigate the challenges of a changing climate. One of the most visible symptoms of our throwaway culture is waste. Landfills are overflowing and our oceans are choking on plastic. It's a monumental problem, but AI is helping us tackle it from the ground up. In advanced recycling facilities, AI-powered robots are transforming the sorting process. Equipped with high-speed cameras and sophisticated recognition software, these robots can identify and separate different types of materials: plastics, glass, paper, metals with a speed and accuracy that humans simply can't match. This dramatically improves the quality of recycled materials, making them more valuable and more likely to be reused, closing the loop on our consumption. But AI's role doesn't stop at the recycling plant. It's also being used to optimize waste collection routes in cities, reducing the number of garbage trucks on the road, which saves fuel, cuts emissions, and reduces traffic congestion. By analyzing data on how full public bins are, cities can dispatch collection crews only when and where they're needed. It's a smarter approach to waste management that turns a linear problem of take, make, dispose into a circular one of reduce, reuse, recycle. These examples are not just isolated experiments, they are part of a growing global movement. From protecting biodiversity by using AI to analyze animal sounds and track endangered species, to optimizing global shipping routes to cut fuel consumption, the applications are as vast as the challenges we face. AI is becoming a fundamental tool in the fight for environmental sustainability. It is helping us to be better stewards of our planet by allowing us to see more clearly, understand more deeply, and act more intelligently. Of course, it's important to acknowledge that AI itself is not without an environmental footprint. The data centers that power these complex algorithms require significant amounts of energy and water for cooling. This is a paradox we must address. The good news is that the tech industry is acutely aware of this, and many major companies are investing heavily in making their own operations more sustainable. They're building data centers powered by renewable energy and developing more energy-efficient AI models. The goal is to ensure that the environmental benefits of applying AI far outweigh its own operational costs. It's a critical part of the equation, ensuring our solution doesn't become part of the problem. As we stand at this unique crossroads in human history, we are faced with a choice. We can continue down a path that strains our planet to its breaking point, or we can embrace a new way forward, one guided by data, intelligence, and a shared commitment to our world. The technology we've created, this powerful artificial intelligence, offers us a beacon of hope. It's a tool that, when wielded with purpose and wisdom, can amplify our own efforts 1,000-fold. It can help us restore balance, heal ecosystems, and build a truly sustainable civilization. The future isn't written in stone, it will be shaped by the decisions we make today. By embracing technologies like AI for sustainability, we are choosing a future of hope over a future of fear. We are choosing innovation over inaction, Maybe, just maybe, the smartest thing that artificial intelligence will ever do is help us protect our home. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey today. If you found this story of hope and innovation inspiring, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content about how technology is shaping our world for the better. Let me know in the comments which application of AI for sustainability you find most exciting. Together, let's stay informed and inspired. See you in the next video.